Well, here we are again. I completed this small project after posting the last video. I'm making sure I got a real good seal with the RTV and the Flex Shield. I have 2 coats of RTV and 2 coats of Flex Shield, and then I'm going to paint it. I'll have to use flat black. I could not find my glossy black. I should have a good seal there now. I don't want the moisture to come in and get up under my carpet later. We will do a good cleanup, shampoo the seats, the carpet, before we put everything back in place. I'll do the same procedure on the driver's side where I had to cut out the number 4 position to get to the cage nut.
Another Mad Jeep update on the 2008 Expedition, and I'm just doing some small things before I put the seat back in. I've got a stain here. I think it's Coke or soda, and I don't have any carpet shampoo. I had to order some, so I probably won't put the seat back in till I get that clean. I've already vacuumed. I'll vacuum again later, but I'll get the trim and the carpet in. And when my carpet cleaner gets here, I'm going to do a good job in here. This thing's pretty clean because we had it detailed last year and we haven't used it, but it's fairly clean. So I got some minor projects I'm going to do. I got a couple broken AC vents in the center. I'm going to see about changing those out. I got some new ones. Here's one of them. Here's the other one in the box. I'm going to see, I just got through watching a video. I showed some guys taking the radio out and to get to these. And I saw another a trick that might work. I'm going to see if it will with popping it out with this right here. Sticking it, turning that horizontal, sticking it in there, and you get a hold of the, at the end of this vent, and you pull on it, and it shows it popping out. I'm gonna try that. I'll be right back if it works. Okay, update. I got this one in. I had a hard time getting the old one out. It did not come out simple like the YouTube video showed. I had to tear it up to get it out, but it goes in real easy. And I'll try to show you that on the next one, because now I know a little bit more what I'm doing. Out for now. These have been busted for 3 or 4 years or more. Gonna get it done. The outside, that one and this one are in good shape, but at least I'll know how to do it now. Out. Yeah, here is the vent. I got 2 of them, and I believe all 4 of them are the same. It says Ford. It says made in the USA. There, I'm gonna see that. There's the part number, and I believe all 4 of them the same. Ford part, made in USA. You see, with my pry bars, I got the small one, and I got one that's a little bigger, and I'm just tearing this thing out. And I don't care about the vent because it's broken, but what I do care about is not messing up the perimeter around this chrome piece. Be careful. Okay, I popped this piece out with the pry bar. It's out of the way. I got some of it out, but the main part is still in there. It's all got to come out. I know this is not a pretty demolition job, but that's what I'm doing. That's what I did to the last one, the one over there. I'm just tearing the old one out. I'm trying to be careful not to damage my dash. Okay, it's almost out, and mostly I just use this one pry bar. And there it is. It's out now. And now I'm gonna look down in there, make sure I don't have any debris. I got a little bit of debris down there. I'll get that out, put the new one in. Okay, I got the slots lined up and it's almost in there, and I'm just going to give it a tap. Okay, I got it in. I thought this ring looked uneven, but it's the same way over here, if you see. And so I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm not gonna try to. I did get a little damage, you know, scraped off some of that paint. I'll get me some gray paint and touch it up, see if I can fix that. But that's about all I did. But so be careful if you do this. If I have to change these others out, I know what I did to do that, and I'll try to avoid that next time. Anyway, that's it for today. I got my new vents in the front dash AC heater vent out for now.